Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you see the recently watched videos on Facebook, then you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method. Just follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you don't make any mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Since we're going to be using the Facebook app for this method, we need to go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, to make sure we find Facebook from here and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, you can quit the store and go ahead and open Facebook. Of course, from Facebook, make sure you are logged into your account, and then you need to access your watch or videos area. You need to tap right here in the top left part of the screen. Anyways, from this page, if you cannot get here from that button in the top, you can still go ahead and tap on the menu in the top right corner right here. And from the menu you can tap on videos right there, guys. Anyways, we need to get to this page to find the recently watched videos. Just tap on this person icon in the top right corner or right part of the screen, and from here, as you can see, guys, this option says history. Once you tap on it, you find every video that you have ever watched on Facebook right here. So that is basically how can you do it. If you can't find that category or the recently watched videos, that means there is something wrong and you need to fix it. Tap right here on help and support, and then from here tap on report a problem. From this menu, scroll down till the bottom and tap on continue to report a problem. Wait for a couple of seconds. Now from here you can choose to include or not. Now again, from these categories we need to find something that says video or videos. And here it is, and it's in the bottom. Tap on video or videos in the bottom. And from here, continue to explain to the Facebook support team that you cannot find your recently watched or your history for the recently watched videos on Facebook, and hopefully they can fix your problem in 24 to 48 hours. That's basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, guys.